In this video, we are going to look at how to export multiple frames in Figma as a PDF. So if you ever need to share your designs with a client or teammate who doesn't use Figma, exporting as a PDF is probably the easiest way to do it. So let me show you how you can do this. And the first thing is you want to select our frames. So you can see I have all of those frames, and there are two ways how you can select them all. So first one is I'm gonna left click and I'm gonna drag my mouse like this. So you can basically select everything. Or if you want to make it also faster, you can press Ctrl A, or if you are on Mac, Command plus A, and this is going to automatically select everything you have. And now there are other two ways how you can export this. So the first one is on the right side, so where you can basically set up your position like alignment. You have a layout, so you can change all of those settings. So you have, for example, opacity, stroke, and stuff like that. And after that, you should see export at the bottom. And here where it says PNG is basically file type. So you want to select PDF over here. And now it's going to export 5 layers. So I can click on it. And now if I open this exported zip file and I'm gonna open it, you can see that each layer has own PDF file. So it's not in like one file. So if I open it, you can see this is my one layer. And now what if you want to make it in one PDF? You want to go to this Figma icon in top left corner, and here you want to go to File and Export Frames to PDF, and this should export all of the frames into one PDF. You can select a color profile, so you can keep it as it is, and you can also select a quality. So if you want to make or download higher quality, you can choose high and click on export. And this should export all of your layers in one PDF file, not like separated. The file will be larger because the quality is high, so it's 75 megabytes. And now if you open it, you can see that each layer is on different page, but it's same PDF. So those are two ways how you can um, export all of your frames or multiple frames in Figma to PDF file. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.